Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Okay, in your last period, we learned about applications of your e-commerce. Okay, in the applications of an e-commerce, we learned first we learned advantages, limitation, then we started with your applications. In applications, we learned the first thing about your e-commerce, that is your mobile entertainment. Okay. Mobile marketing and advertising. This was the first topic we learned in your application of an e-commerce, m-commerce, sorry. And the second thing was we learned about your mobile ticketing. And I given you example of your IRCTC. Okay. And next is your we learn but mobile auction. Okay. And I shown you difference between mobile auction as well as a traditional auction. And then fourth thing we learn is your mobile entertainment. Okay, and I given you example of your games, movies, all things we are giving you example. Now next is your mobile purchase. Mobile purchase, as you know, in a normal mobile phone we are having the application which is known as your amazon.com, Flipkart application will be there. Apart from all these things, we will be having mi store. Okay, this in this from all these things, what happens? Suppose if you want to purchase any mobile electronic items or dress materials or any kind of necessities or commodities, if you want to purchase, what we are doing, we used to go log in that particular applications, and there we used to select it. Okay, after selecting it, what happens? We used to click on add to cart, then after payment purchase will be done. Okay, this is your best example of your mobile purchase. And over here you can see Flipkart, the example of your Flipkart has been given. Okay, see, this is your mobile purchase. And for your best example, I can show you Flipkart.com. See, this is your the same example of your mobile purchase. That means what happens according to your wish. Okay, if you are selecting any commodities, if I'm selecting the Realme X, selected it. Okay, now these are your specifications. Actually, it is out of stock, not delivered. Okay, if you want to it directly, click on buy button, automatically it starts. See, buy button. We can use on add to cart also. As you know what happens, if add to cart is option is selected, automatically it will be going to our cart. Then after we can again we can purchase any other commodities. Then again, then at last at final process we can give your payment. Suppose if you don't want to purchase any other thing, just this mobile phone only, then we can go for buy option, buy now. Then after you have to pay by cash or COD. Okay, cash on delivery, or we can pay use by using your mobile internet banking. Okay, this is the best example of your mobile purchase. Now, next example is your next application is your mobile financial service. Mobile financial service. The best example is here. Over here, they are given the Union Mobile Banking application. Actually, best example I can give you is that iMobile application, which is installed in my phone. Hmm. Okay, now over here you can see iMobile application is there over here. Okay, if I'm clicking over there in iMobile application, iMobile is not working actually. This is a South Indians bank. Okay, now this is your South Indian bank account. But I'm already having an account in your South Indian SIB, and their application is you can see SIB Mirror. Okay, in SIB Mirror, I'm having. You have to click on. They are asking for fingerprint. That means for getting to log in, I need a fingerprint access. Then only I will be able to. The process is going on. Now this is my. I hope you can see it in a clear way. I think it is not visible due to more light. Huh, right. I think right now you can visible it. Okay, this is my SIB South Indian Bank mobile application. See, you can see accounts, fund transfer, then after Beam UPI, such things will be get. That means we can send or receive money by using this application. This is the best example of your uh, mobile financial service. Now, actually, this mobile financial service, it helps to pay your bills. Okay, first thing we can use your bill payment, any electricity bill or in your mobile bill, any kind of bills we can pay, or we can transfer your amounts from you by using this mobile application financial service. This is the best example of your mobile financial service. Next is your mobile information service. Mobile information service, the best example, as you know, that news service. Each and every mobile phone we are having a news service. That means weather forecasting methods and all things is there. Stock market. That means your Nifty. Okay, your NSC, your National Stock Exchange, BSC. Okay, this is your stock market, sports news, financial record, the traffic information. Traffic information is the information. The best example is your map, Google Map. Okay, from this mobile information service, we can help if, able to get the information from by using your mobile phone. The only thing we need is the internet. Okay, by connecting to the internet, automatically we will be getting the services and information. This is the best example of your mobile information service. Then another best example of your next is your next application. Next application is your location and search service. Location and search service, the best example is your Google Map. As you know that whenever if we are going somewhere else, unknown place, okay, we are not able to find any route. So what we are used to do, we are used to directly going to Google Map. Okay, by using the Google Map to your, they will be asking two things. First one is a source and second is a destination area. If we are source area, your automatic tries to find our location. That is a source. That means from where we are going to start. Next is your Destination area. Destination area means where we have to reach. That is the final destination area. We have to enter that particular place. Automatically after entering here, it shows the final route to that particular place. Okay, this is your best example of your location and search service. That is your Google Map. Another, so I can show you an example over here. That is it. See, this is your Google Map. Okay, where I am sitting here. Okay, the whole area, the whole area has been over here. Okay, so the same thing. If I want to get the direction, actually, Samati English Medium School. See, see, this is your Google Map area in our for our school. That means I'm having 14-minute drive from my area. Okay, so what happens after selecting this? Automatically, it will be showing my route to from my source to destination, and this Samati school is my destination. From where source means where I am here. Okay, where I'm sitting or where my home will be considered as a source area, or wherever I'm staying, that will be considered as my source area. And destination means where we have to reach. Okay, for destination, I have kept it as Samati English Medium School. So automatically, from my home to that particular school, 14 minutes drive is there automatically. This is your another best example of your application of your mCommerce. I hope you all understood. Okay, thank you.